morning. Hello to everyone. We're still in winter here in Portugal, but a lovely sunny day, and I'm going to show you a property very close to the stream that you hear below. This property is sited in a village, I would say 5 minutes from Espinhal and maybe 10 minutes from Panela. The city of Coimbra is approximately 25-30 minutes away. As you can see, it still retains some of its original stone structure, and the upstairs has 3 bedrooms, and also this is going to be an ensuite bathroom. Needs quite a bit of work as yet, but could be done by the new owners coming in. And good sized bedroom as well, good spacious bedroom. Pan round. The walls have been put up in a dry lining, plasterboard, and are taped and jointed, as you can see the ceiling. The floor has been renewed also, so it's had quite a bit of work done. Okay, on the landing area, nice space here with the stairs going down to the ground floor. Staircase you can see here. There will be a balustrade fitted quite soon to that staircase. Okay, along the landing area to the right is the second of the bedrooms. This is another double bedroom. Nice morning light coming in. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning now here. Okay, the windows are in hardwood. Nice design, I like the windows. Gives it a lot of character, the property. Outside we'll go after and show you that beautiful stream. Okay. So once again, a little bit to do, but not much. One of the walls needs finishing, taping and jointing, and then painting. Okay, back in the landing area, turn right, and we have what is the third bedroom. This is a little smaller than the previous 2, but possibly you can get a double bed in here. Certainly a single. Okay. Window to the rear of what is now the rear of the property, and in the corner there is the flue from the ground floor. Okay, so that is the first floor, and we're now going to go down to the ground floor. Okay, this is the stairs coming down from the first floor, and it opens onto quite a good size area that you can see is a kitchen diner, being used as a kitchen diner and also a lounge area. Panning round, we have wood burner fire that heats the property quite easily in the winter time. Okay, fitted units, base units and wall units, stainless steel sink. There is a fridge, I'm not sure whether that's staying, I think that might be going. We have also a dishwasher. There's a sink, quite a modern tap. View of the outside, nice, a lovely view from the kitchen. Hob electric. And that's the extractor. Okay, pan round. The ceiling is in exposed beams. Could do with probably plasterboard in between, maybe with a bit of insulation. Dining, quite a large dining table, 4 chairs, and off we go to what is now being used as a storage room. This could become, well, whatever you want it to become really. Office, lounge, extra bedroom. Okay, those are the beautiful stone walls again. And we have one of the original beams, because this is quite an old property that's been renovated. And we have the exposed beam also in the larger of the rooms on the ground floor. Okay, the floors, by the way, are in what looks like a 60 by 60 good quality ceramic floor tile. Storage wood for the wood burner. And the last of the rooms downstairs is the bathroom, that also in Portugal doubles up to house the washing machine and dryer. That's the norm here. There's a good size shower here, shower cubicle should I say, quite a modern one. The walls are fully tiled, WC, another window for natural light, and wash hand basin with base unit. Okay, take you out now back into the open plan lounge area and outside. The property is going on the market for 140,000. I might have mentioned it before. It's negotiable. The price might go up depending on the amount of work that is done after with the sellers. Here we have our furry friends locked away just while I'm here to take the video, waiting to come out. They'll be out soon. Okay, storage area at the back of the house. I'll give you a shot of the back. Has aluminium gutters and rainwater pipe, extruded aluminium. Here is the soakaway drain or the septic tank. Nice area for sitting out here. Look down. There's the stream at the bottom. Across is an old mill that's been renovated, and that road will take you into Espinhal past the old mill. Okay. We also have, that I should mention, steps leading down to an area belonging to the house, of course, and to the street. Parking, I would say enough space for 3, possibly 4 cars at the side of the property. I'm parked here and also the owners at present. Okay, this is the lane in front of the property. Very quiet country lane, by the way, hardly anything at all. On the left you can see the font that's running, so no problem for fresh water whenever you want it. Okay, panning round. Here's the house in sunshine now. And just go round the side of the property to show you this elevation. Not a lot to do externally. It looks like it's been painted quite recently. The road, by the way, just past, you can see, is a bridge, quite an old bridge that goes over the stream past the old mill. Walk down the lane, give you an idea. All I can hear now is the river or the stream should I say, and birdsong. Okay, and that's it. Nice property, good price, needs a bit of work, but nothing that can't be done quickly once anybody buys the place and moves in. Okay, so please get in touch with me. You'll see details at the end of this video. We're here to answer any questions you have. Thank you very much, and bye.